Okay, now all the fasteners have been installed, top and bottom, on the floats. Now it's time to torque them down. Now it's very important that the fasteners have sufficient torque to put the float shell on the belting, but they cannot be over torqued, otherwise this high density plastic could crack over time. So the best way to do that is with a torque wrench. Here we have a torque wrench with a 7/16 socket on it. This torque wrench, the correct setting is 30 inch-pounds or 3.4 Newton meters. Now you don't have to use a torque wrench, you can do it by feel, but in order to train people on the correct setting of it, this is a good way to establish that. So in order to use a correct torque wrench, put a backing wrench on the head and then torque the nut. That's the correct procedure. Go back and forth until the torque wrench clicks. Okay, that's it. Then you can move to the next bolt. Now you can see that it's down nice and tight on there, but you haven't made it so tight that it's damaging the polyethylene. So move to the next bolt. Again, put the backing wrench on. Okay, and that's the procedure for installing floats onto the Sigma shell.